You plug in your favorite appliance, expecting it to operate exactly as it did yesterday. Instead, it sparks, smokes, or fails completely, turning a reliable household tool into an immediate physical hazard. When a product poses a widespread safety risk, manufacturers issue an official recall. This is a formal admission that the product is unsafe, and it legally obligates the company to offer you one of three specific remedies: a full refund, a free repair, or a safe replacement. If you are harmed by one of these defects, you enter the realm of civil tort law, not criminal law. The government is not stepping in to put the manufacturer in jail. Civil law focuses entirely on making the injured party whole again through financial compensation. Before you can claim any of that compensation, you need to secure three physical items. You must have the defective product itself, completely unaltered, any original packaging that you still possess, and formal proof of purchase, like a store receipt. Knowing how to secure these items and navigate civil liability rules gives you leverage. You transition from a passive victim of a dangerous situation into an empowered claimant with a clear legal path forward. Step 1 is immediate physical containment. Pull the plug, disconnect the battery, and quarantine the item away from people and pets. Do not attempt to test the item one more time to see if you can recreate the problem. Applying power to a known defect drastically increases the risk of fire, electric shock, or catastrophic failure. Step 2 is gathering identifying data. Look at the manufacturer's label and write down the exact brand, the model name, the serial number, and the lot or batch number. For step 3, take those exact numbers and run them through an official government or manufacturer recall database. This confirms whether the listed hazard generates a match for your specific unit. Pinning down the exact make, model, and official defect notice elevates your situation from a general customer service complaint into a documented, actionable legal claim. Under product liability law, courts apply a standard called strict liability. This means you do not have to prove the manufacturer was careless or intended to cause harm. If the product was defective and caused injury, the company is legally responsible. 3 legal defect categories exist. First, design defect. The flaw is baked into the product's blueprint. Second, manufacturing defect. The design is safe, but a production error makes a specific batch dangerous. Third, warning defect. The product lacks adequate safety instructions or warnings. You never have to uncover a corporate cover-up or prove malicious intent. Demonstrating that your injury resulted from just one of these 3 specific defects is enough to establish civil liability. Step 4 is initiating your remedy claim. You do this by reaching out to the specific contact channels, usually a dedicated phone line or web portal, set up by the official recall administrator. Step 5 requires you to prove ownership by building an evidence file like this. Gather your store receipts, warranty cards, and clear photographs of the item, and get them compiled into a single file ready to send. Step 6 is a conditional preservation protocol. If the defective product caused physical injury or property damage, you must preserve it exactly as it is. Do not attempt to fix it, clean it, or disassemble it. This scale illustrates your burden of proof in civil court, known as a preponderance of the evidence. This means you only need to show that your claim is slightly more than 50% likely to be true. Keeping the defective product perfectly intact is the most effective way to meet that burden. The physical evidence speaks for itself, seamlessly tipping the scale in your favor. One critical mistake will destroy your case entirely: throwing the product in the trash after an injury. In the legal system, this is called spoliation of evidence, and without the physical item, you have no claim. Keep it sealed shut and secure. You must also stay off the secondary market. Selling, gifting, or donating a recalled item passes a known hazard to someone else. It is illegal, and it opens you up to massive personal liability if the new owner gets hurt. This checklist recaps the sequence: stop using the product, identify the markers, verify the recall, contact the administrator, document your purchase, and preserve the physical evidence. By following these steps, you arrive at the optimal end state. You have a safely boxed hazard, a comprehensive folder of digital evidence, and an active remedy claim moving through the proper channels. Navigating a product failure does not have to leave you vulnerable. Mastering this process neutralizes the physical danger in your home and enforces your legal right to compensation against any manufacturer, no matter their size.